This is the waffle bowls we're going to make. This is the recycled, the jelly bowl plastic, and the iron there also recycled. I put it there for the base, so it won't topple. Okay, let's start. Do magic ring and 8 single crochet. When you put the marker, erase, red color. Second round is increase. Every chain 2. We're coming to the end of the red thread. One more. And put the marker. The third round. This one will be 1 single crochet there, and here the next one will be 2. 1 and 2. Go around until the red thread marker. Fourth round is 1 there, single crochet, 1 more, and the other one, and this one will be 2. On the third one will be 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Now fifth round. Fifth round is 1 there, next one is 1, and next one is 1, and the fourth one will be 2 single crochet. So 1 and 1 Sixth round is 1 there, 2 and 3, 4. The fifth one will be 2. 5th one will be 2. Go around, same. 7th round is all single crochet, but you do it that way, underneath. Take every I don't know how to explain this, but there, showing you. So every you poke it there, see that? So go around the whole thing, no increase, no nothing, just go around. This round finishing, and put the marker. Now this the base already down, now we're going up. This one is going to be different. We're going to do from the front that way and half double crochet. Now do the back way, half double crochet, and now do the front, half double crochet. Now do the back, and go around. The ending, it doesn't go same. See, both of it is out, so you put one extra single crochet there, one extra single crochet there. Okay, cheating. Okay, now we do the out, half double crochet, and the inside one, half double crochet. Same thing, go around. I go around same way until 6 the same half crochets like that, 6 rows, and it would look like a cup already. Okay, put the cup to fitted the cup with. Just look at it first. Looks good. I've got some more rounds to go. Now we're going to do single crochet there. Each one, this one will be 2, and then The next 5 chain will be single, 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 and the 6th one will be increase. 2 single crochets on the 6th chain. 5 already knot. There on the 6th. The next one is 5 chains, all will be single crochets. Only on the 6th will be increased 2 single crochet. Okay, next round you put 1 there. This one will be 2. Okay, the 6th chain will be single crochet, all 1. Only on the 7th chain will increase. There, and go around the same way. One round ready. Now you see your cups. You don't have to put the plastic recycle, also can. You can just put the remove the red thread, but you put something heavy down there so it won't topple. There, the iron recycle, so it won't topple, but I felt like I want to put that plastic in. You stuff in the cotton in, then only you can put the ice cream stuffing. It looks good, but the only thing is too many colors. When I put my pins there, I can't find my pins, so I have to leave my pins out. So this looks good.